A 24-year-old from Patna, no degree, no camera, no English fluency, is pulling in 3.8 lakh rupees every single month from YouTube. His face has never appeared on screen. His voice has never been recorded. And right now, over 23,000 Indians just like him are running what experts are calling the most powerful silent income machine of the decade. Meet Rohit Sharma, not the cricketer. A 2019 engineering dropout from Lucknow who couldn't afford a smartphone upgrade. He stumbled onto a Reddit thread about faceless YouTube channels at 2 a.m., dismissed it as a scam, then opened it again at 4 a.m. By morning, he had registered his channel. 18 months later, AdSense deposited 210,000 rupees directly into his bank account. Here's what most people don't understand about YouTube in 2024. The platform paid out over $70 billion, roughly 5.8 lakh rupees crore, to creators globally since 2021. India has the second largest YouTube user base on earth, 467 million viewers. Yet less than 0.3% of Indians are on the creator side. That gap? That's where the money is quietly sitting, waiting. The top 5 faceless niches dominating Indian creator earnings right now: finance and stock market tips, CPM rates of 800 rupee to 2,200 rupee per thousand views. Mythological storytelling, channels earning 90,000 rupee monthly with just 80,000 subscribers. AI and tech explainers, growing 340% year-over-year. True crime in Hindi, one Kanpur creator hit 1 million subscribers in 11 months. And motivational compilations, the easiest entry point, zero production cost. So how does the money actually flow? YouTube pays between 150 rupees and 2,500 rupee per 1,000 views depending on your niche. This is called CPM. A finance channel hitting just 500,000 monthly views can generate 75,000 rupee to 1,25,000 rupees from ads alone. Ad brand sponsorships, a mid-sized Indian channel charges 30,000 rupee to 80,000 rupee per integration. Then affiliate commissions. Then digital products. Suddenly 4 lakh rupees per month isn't shocking, it's almost conservative. Here's the part that broke the internet when creators started revealing it: AI does almost everything now. Tools like 11 Labs generate human-quality voiceovers for 1,200 rupee per month. Pictree and InVideo turn a script into a fully edited video in 14 minutes flat. ChatGPT writes research-backed scripts in 8 minutes. One creator from Pune runs 3 channels, posts 20 videos monthly, and spends only 11 hours per week, total. His monthly cost: 4,800 rupees. His income? 2.7 lakh rupees. But let's be brutally honest, most Indian channels die before reaching 1,000 subscribers. The number one killer? Copying Western content blindly. Indian audiences behave differently. They respond to local references, regional emotion, Bollywood callbacks, cricket analogies. The second killer is inconsistency. Data shows channels that post for 90 consecutive days, regardless of views, have a 73% monetization success rate. The ones who quit before day 60? Zero. Not low, zero. So what does the actual starting roadmap look like? Day 1, pick one niche, create a Gmail, set up a free channel. Week 1, write 3 scripts using ChatGPT, generate voiceover with 11 Labs free tier, edit using CapCut free version. Upload with SEO titles targeting low competition Hindi keywords. Your total investment, 0 rupees. First monetization check typically arrives between month 4 and month 7. Every creator we interviewed said the same thing: they only regret not starting sooner. India is producing its first generation of completely anonymous digital millionaires, people your neighbors will never know about, sitting in tier 2 cities, building wealth that salaried jobs cannot touch in 10 years. The information is free. The tools are affordable. The audience is 467 million people wide open. The only question is whether you'll act or just watch someone else win. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop life-changing money facts every week.